Hello YouTube friends, welcome to Back Into Fishing. Another Monday at the Soccerplex. It's overcast. So many of these times out has been sunny. Maybe the overcast will change the luck for today. Maybe we'll hook into a good fish. Well, let's get down here to the dock and get a line in the water. Well, my first impression down here at the dock is how much the water level has continued to drop. We had rain yesterday, but it was sporadic. Some local areas got more than others. Some got a lot, some got next to nothing. I got next to nothing where I live. But for reference, about 2 weeks ago, the water level was right about here. That's where shoreline was. Now it's 7-8 feet out. Now that's definitely going to concentrate the fish. How that's going to affect them, I guess we'll find out here shortly. First cast is out into the water. There's a bite. I've been focusing on the right side of this fountain and hadn't gotten a bite. Now this is my first cast over here on the left side. I got a fish. Not a keeper, but a good fish. I'm going to have to toss him a ways out to get him back in the water, but he'll be okay. Something's on it. I don't know if that's a fish or not. That was a weird strike. Not even 5 inches. Where'd he come from? I continued making casts down there at the dock for a little while longer than I wanted to, but I've moved on, and basically because the water is so low, the shoreline is dried up. I'm just going to walk the shoreline and continue to make casts up as far as I can go. Just a little update. I'm continuing to work my way up the shoreline here. I've only gone about 25-30 yards, but I've already lost 2 baits on snags on the bottom. My line keeps going slack. I haven't felt the fish pick it up. Every time I tighten it up, it wouldn't tighten. Fish number 3, not much of a fish. I think all 3 fish put together wouldn't even equal one halfway decent one, but you catch what you catch. I'm just progressing my way down the shoreline, got down about as far as I'm going to go before I turn the corner, start fishing to either side of that tree where I've done okay before on. I come up with a sort of a plan coming up the shoreline. I'd walk about 20 steps, stop, make a series of fan casts, walk another 20 steps, more fan casts. I did that all the way up to here. Now, I didn't get any more bites since that last fish, but it seems to be an effective use of my time. Sun's looking like it's starting to come out. Might want to pick up the pace a little bit here. I've never been on this side of the lake before when the water was this low. Standing on top of this drain here, I had no idea that they had riprap along these drains, but this is the third one so far today I've seen it on. Never seen it before today. Whoop, line's moving. Another small fish. No more bites over at this spot, just that one lone fish. I got one or two more spots I can fish from this side of the lake before I'm back over to the dock. I got time yet. I can fish the dock a little bit before I need to go. So let's move on to the next spot. I'm not necessarily holding out too much hope that I'm going to catch a fish this far up into the lake. It's predominantly shallow, however, this side is deeper than the other side. So it's worth a few casts. I might hook up with something nice. I caught one right here, real nice one, just a couple of weeks ago. Just a couple of feet offshore. Oh, there's something on my line. Still not a keeper, but it's probably 11 inches best fish of the day. I don't have my pliers with me, and he's kind of hooked in there sideways. We'll need him to get it out, but get the hook out and get him back in the water. I'm surprised to catch this fish. I mean, there's only like a foot of water down here. I hooked something good. We're going to have to drag him across the dirt here to get him up. I haven't even seen him yet. That'll be the big fish of the day for sure. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth, right where you want it. Let me get him undone here. I don't have my pliers in my pocket. Okay. Oh, come on now. 29.9 ounces. £1 pound, 13.9 ounces. Well, that'll make your day any day. And I was just about to leave. Interesting day today. You know, I'm not even sure what I want to say here. I've been playing with the idea because of the conditions that I was just going to quit fishing the Soccerplex here until the water level improved, but I was kind of on the fence with it, and then I got here today and conditions, as you saw, were worse. I did get a few fish. They were all small, and I pretty much made up my mind that was it. Until we get some decent rain, I'm not coming back. And then I get that one nice fish, but you know, it just isn't enough. I am going to go ahead. I'm going to suspend Soccerplex Mondays until conditions get better. I'll just go someplace else. So, thanks for watching. As usual, I do appreciate it. Hopefully I'll be back with a new video soon. Until then, take care.